Hi guys, so my name is Sana Mishra and today what we're doing is we're making a smoothie. So it's a bunch of fruits that I had in my fridge and the only vegetable I could find, that is beetroot. So I'm going to mix it all together with a little bit of yogurt and that's when you will get your smoothie. Alright, so let's get right into it. So I have some pineapples here. I cut all of it. I'm going to eat a bunch of it later. Have some beetroot, oranges, banana and some yogurt to mix it up. So I'll add some yogurt first. I'm adding all of it. Again guys, you don't have to be extremely specific when you're making the smoothie. Then I'll add a little bit of frozen banana that I had from earlier. Some oranges. Pineapple. And to give it that color, some beetroot. See guys, there you go, some wholesome goodness. Just a little bit for the person who's shooting it. He's not getting a lot, but no worries. You want to do cheers? This is the closest you can get to, I don't know. There you go.